Alright, so today, guys, we're going to look at finding the equation of a line given 2 points. Okay, and to do that, we need to understand that the gradient of a line is the same between any 2 points on that line. Okay, so it's always constant. And the gradient of a line, we want to know how to find the gradient of a line and to understand the gradient intercept form y equals mx plus c of the straight line equation. Okay, that's very important. So we're going to work on that today. Okay, so as you can see here, the gradient between first 2 points, the second 2 points, the third, fourth points, fourth and fifth points, okay, it's always the same pace. So that's why every equation runs in the format y equals mx plus c. Okay, so that's going to be helpful for today. Our second thing that we need to do is that we can find the gradient of a line by finding the rise over run. So what we mean by that is the rise is the change in y, which can be done by doing the difference in the y values. So y2 minus y1. Okay, over the run, which is the change in the x values. Okay, which is the x2 minus the x1. Okay, so let's just get into it. Alright, so in this example, here, we want to be able to determine the gradient of the line joining the points minus 2, 9, and 6, minus 1. Okay, so graphically, our first point, minus 2, x minus 2, y is 9, is up here somewhere. Okay, so minus 2, 9. Our second point, 6 minus 1, is down here somewhere. So x is 6, y is minus 1. Okay, so put it there somewhere. Okay, now our line, this is our line segment here. Okay, and we're trying to find the gradient of this line. So to do this, we need to find the rise over the run. Okay, so using your diagram, okay, we have the rise, which is the difference between the y values. So here, rise of 9 all the way down to minus 1. So gradient, because rise over run. And in this case, from 9 to minus 1 is 9 minus minus 1, which is equal to 10. Okay. And our run, the change in the x values, goes from minus 2 to 6. So we go minus 2, minus 6, which is equal to minus 8. Okay. So the gradient here is, or negative 5 over 4. So for every 5 units down, this line goes 4 units across. Okay, and that's how to find the gradient. Okay. Alternatively, you can just use a formula. Okay, because it takes a bit to draw up the graph, but here it's essentially what we've done here. Okay, so we can call this one here x1, y1, this one here x2, y2, substitute into the formula. So y2, the difference between y2, which is 9, minus minus 1, okay, all over the difference between the x values, which is x2, which is minus 2, minus 6. So we end up with 10 over minus 8 again, which is equal to minus 5 over 4. Okay, so this is the formula. This is graphically. If you have a diagram, okay, it's easy to see rise of minus 10, run of 8. Okay, so minus 10 over 8. Okay, so that's it.